Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low messy chignon. To start, I've left a few pieces of hair out around the face and just secured the hair into a low ponytail. Just lift that ponytail straight up and press it against the head as close as you can get it. Now we're just going to create a row of bobby pins just to hold that hair in place. Now we're going to push the bottom of the ponytail towards the nape of the neck and secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to repeat this on both sides. Next, take those tail ends and split them into a top and bottom section, and we're going to bring the top section over to the left and the bottom section towards the right hand side. Taking that top section, we're just going to wrap it over to the left and tuck it underneath that chignon. Now take the right hand section, bring it under the chignon and pin it to the head. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just pinch and pull gently at all those sections we've pinned down just to create a little bit of texture. Add some more texture spray all over the top of the head, then just pinch and pull at this hair to get the texture you require. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.